There's a piggyback. And got my trainers on. Oops. The pots are over there. I'm not going to go nowhere yet. Oh, I can jump on this bit here, like. Off camera, of course, just in case. Let Chris do all the work, because I'm unprepared. Yes? Is it? Get there.
Being serious? See his tail?
Well, that's a good sign. Get it up, son. I said the actors to the bishop.
It's a bit deeper today. Oh, Jesus.
Oh, yes.
Size too.
Don't need it.
I'll just chuck that down. Hello, baby. Yeah, that shows you that that's working, mate, doesn't it? Right, so we're going to size it.
Chris is going to show you how it's done.
It's got a red claw.
Oh. So it's well in size.
Oh, there
See
you
how
go.
much there? Like if it was down to there, or if that was over there, then it wouldn't be
Like that.
sized. So what you do is you put it literally right at the back of the eye socket, from here to there. So it's bang on size. It's slightly bigger than size, which is great. And he's got a knackered close, so he's been a fighter.
Oh,
Now here we go. It's a hen, right? See how she's carrying eggs. So what? Have you got your clipper?
they're in the bottom of my bag as well.
I'll show you what we do.
Oh, that was a big wave.
Well, at least they're here.
That's a good tip.
So he's going to clip it now for you. Second one in. You see all the hen, all the eggs?
All the eggs.
And they're a lot wider than a male. So just a little
Ready?
clip there. That's it. They don't feel a thing, there's nothing in there. I'm going to have a little quick look here. Show you the width of that.
You want to take it up?
Yeah. Dead quick. So that's a hen. That's the eggs. So if you look now, Chris has just put a triangle clip in there, which means now if anybody touches this and they get caught within the bag, they're in a lot of trouble. But with it being a female, she's a lot wider than the male, and that's so they can carry their eggs, you see. So I'm just gonna let her go. She's a good size as well, mate. That's it. Say goodbye.
Little kiss.
Nice one. Did you not taste this good? It's a good idea, was it?
Aye, it's a salty water.
Beautiful. Let again.
You ready?
Yep.
Want to go around there?
Yeah. Just letting her go. Drop her in slowly. See where she goes. She's away, yeah? Just hiding.
No, she's just there.
Aye, I can see her there. It's crystal clear again, isn't it?
Can you see it all right there?
Uh-huh. It's class, eh? Regret this. Oh. Yeah. That's it, getting away. It's just on you. Still see her, mate. Alright. So they are coming in. It isn't a bad spot. Fab. She's under the kelp. Just going now. Nice job, mate. Too old for this. So he's actually got his right next to you.
Shall I just leave that in?
Yeah, it definitely works a treat. So just show them what you've done.
Lucozade bottle. Burn some holes in it, because if you cut holes it weakens the bottle. Quick release to the lid. That's that.
Great. Nice and easy that, isn't it?
Much easier.
Took it up. Can you show people the license tag there while you're at it, bud?
There it is.
There is a number on the other side. Obviously we're not going to show that, but that's what you do. Ideal. Now, it's sad that we haven't got one, but it's nice to see a female with a lot of eggs, isn't it?
Oh yes.
Champion. We've still got yours to check it. Right, so we're now at Chris's pot. This is the one where I had problems the other day with the waves coming over the top. But if there's anything in here, another thing.
Velvet and Anita.
Eh? Oh, you got a velvet?
Aye.
Well, come down.
Anita looks undersized.
Aye, she's tiny. So, it's a velvet crab. The ones I've explained before, we'll go through it again though. So do you want to pull the eater out first? So we know this is undersized.
You've got to hold.
Oh, aye, look, you've got to be so quick with them. Quick, quick, quick. That's it. So that's what an eater looks like. That's the good old traditional British one. So that's how undersized it is. You would just not get any meat in that. It's not. I wouldn't even have one that was in that size range. Let's have a look at the size again, mate. So,
10 mil.
yeah, easy. 10 mil out.
Couple of years.
Yeah, so send him or her on the way. We don't know what's a female, what's not. Just let her relax. We'll get the other one out while she's just hanging on. Velvet crab, now that's sized.
Behave.
They are vicious but beautiful. See what's on guard. Feisty.
Which one is it? That one. Let's try that. Nope.
No,
Oh,
she's
just put it back with that one there. It's that one. Alright.
She's in. So you can take her and eat her if you wanted, but like I said in the last video, which I haven't uploaded yet, but I did say I would need at least a dozen of them to make a decent meal, so it's pointless taking one. Very nice for the pot though. Velvet crab, beautiful. Mainly caught to be shipped over to Spain because it's the main ingredient for paella and things like that. So they like to come over here. See the back? How beautiful that is, man. Oh, lovely crab. Don't you see it for swimming? Soft, like flat. Very nice. Well, it's working, mate.
Yeah.
It's definitely working. Alright, done that again?
Yeah. Up there or down there, or just here?
Anyway, yeah, she'll just scarp her. Oof. And
Bye bye.
buried already, isn't it? See it away.
Right.
It's gone.
Down the bottom.
Now this fella doesn't want to move house yet. Get the claw out, one of them, and if you just get your measuring thing, you can just prise that open a bit. And pull that out. That's it. Now it's grabbing on the other one. They're good, aren't they?
Careful. And your fingers.
Aye. as quick as possible. Nice looking crab, aren't they? Clean.
Yep.
Come back in 2 years, mate.
3
See?
be generous.
Yeah, see you then. And what will happen is they'll hide the pot back in, they'll come straight back in because it's stupid.
I'm just leaving that like that.
Perfect.
There's my tag.
Launch. I just thought you left the spot in. There we go. Hey ho.